Hey, Lobster here. Godot 4.5 Dev 2 is here. It came on April 2025, and here are all the highlighted features. Let's get into it. First of all is our dedicated 2D navigation server. Previously in Godot, the 2D and the 3D navigation servers were kind of, combined. Now, the thing is, when you use it for 2D, the features for 3D come along and increase the output size without giving any real benefits. That's why both of the servers are now being separated, and now you have a dedicated 2D navigation server. That is quite good. Next up, we have reorganized game shader UI. The shader UI has been a little bit more messy, especially the visual shaders UI. And upon a lot of requests, the Godot team has revamped the UI to look a little bit more cleaner. The dock is here, the file system and the things are organized right here. And it's looking not too different from the previous one, but still a bit more organized. Changing editor language without a restart. In Godot previously, when you wanted to restart your game, you had to, restart. I mean, if you change the language, for example, if you're working in a multilingual environment, like with multiple languages, you have to change the editor and restart it, and it's like a bunch of mess. Due to the efforts of this guy, I hope I can pronounce his name. I don't think so, that I'm just not gonna try. Now you can easily just switch the language and it will change instantaneously. Fragment density map support. This is a really good one. Now in VR, there's a thing when you're using a VR stuff, most of the time the pixel around the viewport, on the corners, are not really focused by the player, because it's VR, so the player merely just focus on in the center. So the pixel on the side should be optimized because they're not really on the focus. Used some old systems and stuff, but some standalone VR headsets like the MetaQuest right here don't really support this extension and have some issues with it. So a new fragment density map support has been added to make it more usable in different kind of devices. A really good thing for VR and XR developers. Really nice. VLAN, thanks to the effort of this guy, the X11 alternative VLAN has been given first class treatment in Godot. The thing is that some people, Godot actually kind of encourages, I think, to use VLAN maybe, and the problem with that is that it didn't have a native sub viewport support, and now it has been added. And the awesome thing is that this guy actually did it all in just one thing, one push or something like that. I mean, that's quite impressive, and due to the efforts of people like these, Godot has been improving a lot. There are some changes that I noticed right here. First of all is allowing you to customize the debug color of path 3D in 3D, and they optimize the visibility of visible on-screen notifier 2D. This is good too. There have been improvements to these things like the process magnification, as stuff like that, and add the skeleton 3D. This is good, and they added a selection box for moving and scaling the Bezier curves. It's good too. Added tooltips for files and UIDs, so that's good. And there have been something I actually noticed, a good thing. And let me see. Yes, there has been an update to Jolt. Jolt has been updated to Jolt 5.3.0. So that's, and physics upgrade right here. So you're going to be seeing a little bit more improved physics if you go to the Jolt update right here, like the new release on Jolt. You can see the improvements as well. And there's been like added support for mute game button and stuff like that. There's been a bunch of other stuff. And this time we had 90 contributed and over 250 fixes for this release. I mean, just for a dev, I mean, that's quite impressive. It's been releasing like crazy, so that's really nice. And thank you, Godot, for creating such an amazing engine. And I'll see you guys in the next one.